Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's actually the next day, but today we're doing something different. My friend Reggie, man, he's crazy. He bought headers for his 10-speed, so we're gonna be installing the header. He also got a nitrous kit. He's waiting for a tune from lunch, so this thing is gonna be really fast, extremely fast. So pretty much I'm gonna show you the headers. They're beautiful. Comes with these. The H-pipe's gonna go here. Those are the headers. This is the nitrous kit. So he's gonna be hurting some damn feelings for sure, but all that wiring you need to do for the nitrous, it's gonna be crazy. LS what? Fuck around and find out. Hell yeah. He got the drag pack over there. Well, not the drag pack, but just the rear. He's waiting. He might get the front ones. So with that said, guys, we're going to pick up the car, take off the JLT cold air intake. He said that we need to take off the cold air intake, loosen the motor mount. So I'm gonna take you through the process. If we make mistakes, well, you get to learn from them. So with that said, guys, let's go. It's gonna be a crazy video. Let's go. Yo guys, so we took off the cold air intake already. Pretty simple. Now he's gonna take off the motor mount. Not take it off, but just loosen it, right?
Yeah.
Or take it off.
But I have to take it off.
Really? That's the bolt right there. So we're gonna do that and we'll get back to you. Yo, we just lifted it. Pretty much 2 jack stands. We put a brake on the back so it won't slide back. For any of y'all that want to lift your car up, we lifted it from this little lip. I don't know if you can see it. Hell yeah. Damn, this is gonna be a nice setup right here. Hell yeah. Let's keep working though. Drink this water, stay hydrated, and let's go. Está en el motor mount, no? Okay, so step 1, pretty much take off the H pipe, and then step 2, pretty much we're gonna take off these from here. On this one, I don't know why it's welded to the header, so that's kind of stupid. So let's take this off and we'll catch you later. Yo guys, so we took off pretty much the whole exhaust. Not the whole exhaust, you can see the back exhaust there. Took off this one. So a tip for y'all, this one might come out with the ratchet through here, through the back tire, but this one, it ain't gonna come out through the bottom. You gotta put like extensions through the top, pass it through there, and then get it from the top with the gun or something. So that's what we did. We disconnected the battery already. Take off the starter, and then what, the motor mount. So starter, motor mount, and then we'll go from there. But hell yeah, man, it's gonna sound nice. Let's get it. Yo guys, we have the engine already kind of picked up, as you can see right here. Let me show y'all. See that little bolt right there? Already moved, so you can see it's moving. The reason why you have to do this is so you can take out the motor mounts and you can have space for the headers. To honestly, to have space to take out the bolts and install the headers. We also need to take off that shaft, the steering shaft. So, oh, and also guys, pretty much with the starter, they lied to my friend Reggie. He saw a video and he said it was only 1 bolt. But pretty much, guys, let me show you. Let me get under here. So the starter goes here, right? That's the starter. We're facing it back that way. So it goes there. So you have 1 bolt here, and then actually it's a bolt from the transmission. That's, let's see, y'all can see it. It's right. Can y'all see it? Oh, y'all can see it, but it's over here. Where is it? Right here. Where my fingers at? Right here. So it's that one and this one, so you can take out the starter. Make sure you take off your battery before taking out the starter. We got it lifted from the transmission right here because Ford wanted to make plastic oil pan, which is kind of stupid, but I guess weight reduction. So with that said, guys, we're gonna start taking off the motor mounts and the steering shaft and pretty much start on the bolts from the headers and install the headers. Let's go. Yo guys, we have roughly around 4 hours and we already installed 1 header. You can see it right there. I just need 1 more bolt from the passenger to take off the stock manifold. This is the stock manifold that comes with it. It's kind of nasty and they're really heavy, so he's actually losing weight as well. Look, let me go under the car so you can see actually the process happening. Pretty much the header. Yeah, so we just need that one. I know you can't see it, but we need that side so we can put that other header that's over there laying on the floor and pretty much install everything back. Motor mounts, the steering shaft. So let's go. Yo guys, after struggling on the passenger side, we finally got the header off. We need to put the extensions for the O2 sensors. But pretty much, guys, there you go. We took off the header. It was a pain in the ass to get some bolts, but we managed to do that. And we actually have to take off. Where are they? We have to take off these, the ones that are to the block. You need to take them off with the number 8, I believe. You need to take off all 8s. The headers come with the bolts already. But with that said, Reggie already put the O2 sensor here. We're using the OEM gasket. So yeah guys, we're gonna keep going. Reggie already put one side, which is the driver's side. We already put the mortar mount. We just need the passenger and pretty much start bolting everything up, and y'all gonna hear that cold start. So let's go. Yo guys, so you're gonna need one of these for sure to tighten the passenger header bolts. Only 3 from the top. So yeah, get yourself one of these, and you're gonna be doing this for a minute. So guys, with that said, amazing work. The 2 headers are installed. There you go, right there. You can see both of them are installed. Now we're gonna be installing the whole exhaust, starter, motor mount. That other motor mount's already put on, and run the whole exhaust. Connect the cold air intake, and y'all should be hearing a cold start here pretty soon. Reggie brought me a getter. Hell yeah. Power, my bad, power. Shit. Honestly, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest, this is pretty much like an 8, solid 8. You can't do it at your house. We're doing it here in the garage. Pretty much jack stands, power tools. So you can't do it. Don't be afraid to take on a challenge. The end result is always the best. But guys, headers are installed now, pretty much to install the whole parts. And y'all gonna hear the cold start like I said, so let's go. Yo, we're gonna head out to go refuel. Oh, that thing sounds nasty. To we're gonna go get some runs in. The headers sound amazing. Honestly, it changed the way the car sounds and the way it performs. But as you can see in the back, the crew is coming, so we're gonna get some few runs in. Let's go. Hey, that was a good one, way. That was a fucking good ass race. Yo, who won, bro? No way. Fuck, 2 cars, bro. Shit. You won?
I think I got him by a car, bro.
See?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I don't know, man. I really couldn't see how much.
Yo, guys are setting up the draggy on Reggie's car. so we can see where he's at on his time. He does not have the slicks stock tires, so let's see what he do.